Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share review for Innisfree capsule recipe pack. It's a rice pack that I recently purchased, and we can see it's written sleeping pack. That means before sleeping we can apply this pack and then we can wash it off in the morning. If we look at the packaging, it's a very small tub and it's very cute and travel friendly packaging. And if we see the price, I got it for rupees 150 and total quantity is around 10 ml. So I'll just open this and show you. So this is how it looks. It has this instruction written: leave on overnight and wash it off next morning. So the quantity, if you'll see, it may seem very less, but when applying, the amount of product required is very less. It has a cream like consistency. You can see it is very light in texture and it has a cream like consistency. So around 1/4 of the product is enough to cover my face, and it easily spreads like a cream. So, and the results that I got are very nice. It gives a very nice glow and brightening effect. Even it lightens the acne scars, and it also minimizes the pores. So yeah, I found this product very nice, and for this price 150, I think I can use this tub for around 8 to 10 times. So I found this very budget friendly. I think you must give it a try because it's very cost effective, and this costed me 150 and I can use it around 8 to 10 times, and the kind of result it gives, it's I think a very amazing product, and I think you can give it a try. It will really give very nice results. So yeah, it's a very good product from my side, and I surely recommend it to everyone to at least try it once. So guys, please try this product and do share your results with me. And if you like my video, please hit like and share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.